Hello everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my Layers of Beauty class. This is available globally, not just for my friends and customers in Australia. We are using the Layers of Beauty bundle. Now this includes the stamp set, the dies. Now this sheet does not come with it. This is something that I use in my storage, and it also comes with, you think I'd have this ready beforehand, it comes with a set of masks. Okay, so that is the bundle. If you have that, or if you would like to purchase it, that is the main products I've used, and I think I've only used maybe 1 or 2 sentiments that come out of the Simply Said stamp set. So here is a look at my cards. So I have used the stamps and the masks for this card. Now, I do thank you so much for purchasing. I really do appreciate the support of you purchasing my classes. This is card number 2. I've done some very light watercoloring, some embossing, so just using the stamp set and dies for this one. And then for my final card, I've kept it really quite simple, just stamping in the background and doing some stamping, die cutting and colouring with Stampin' blends for this, and I have done some colouring of some ribbon as well. So you will get an exclusive video on all 3 of those cards. They are all unlisted videos, so you can only watch them with links. And you will get a project sheet of everything I have used on each card. So these projects won't get shared anywhere else. As I said, they are exclusive, and I do have a few links to some additional videos that I have done using the set. So you get that additional videos as well. The project sheet will have a list of dimensions, what I've used, and products. So dimensions, what I've used, colors, products, but feel free to change those colors up, and I'd love to see what you make. I do have a VIP group that you can join and share what you have made. So I do hope you really enjoyed this class. Thank you so much for supporting me, whether it's a team member who gets these tutorials for free or a customer who has purchased it. Enjoy the videos, and I will see you next time for my next class. Bye.